Hi friends, welcome to the channel Dinners. Here we are discussing about online application of railway recruitment for the post of staff nurse. First we go to the any of the RRB website. From that, just click to submit online application. Click here link for paramedical categories. So after clicking that link, you will reach to another page of RRB application form. In that, important dates and times are given. Opening of online registration, of closing online registration date, closing of offline payment, closing of online payment, closing of online submission of application, then new registration, OTP activation, candidate login, print application, modify applications. In that, we need to go new registration. In that, different zonal RRBs are there. So please note that RRB once selected cannot be changed. So we selected one RRB. So please thoroughly check the post parameters, RRB wise vacancies, and then select community, underserved, SC/ST, OBC, or economically weaker section. Or if you have any personal benchmark disabilities, that also you can select. Then you can select either GNM or BSc nursing. There is no experience required for this post. Then after selecting the GNM or degree, BSc nursing degree, you can go to the check availability. So below that, it will show this vacancy table as per selected qualification, community or disability status. So you will see different RRBs. That is first Mumbai, that I was selected. Then Ahmedabad, Ajmer, Allahabad. In that row, there is a total vacancy of that particular RRB. It's shown. So you can select any of the RRB from here. So for an example, I am showing Bangalore RRB. It is not activated now, so we cannot apply in Bangalore RRB now. So again I am going to Mumbai RRB. It is started now. You can apply there in Mumbai RRB. So for that, instructions are given. Candidate should apply only one RRB. If duplicate applications are found, candidate at any point of time, they will rejected. So select that two columns and proceed. Then for the registration purpose, we need to enter our details. So selected RRB is shown, and the name, Aadhaar card if you have, you need to mention Aadhaar card number, and as a matriculation or 10th roll number. Then year of passing, mobile number and email ID you should enter carefully. Don't make any mistake, because all communication will send to your mobile number and email ID. Then click to continue. So one confirmation message will come. In that you can check and confirm the details and tick the column. So then you can verify through that OTP. So two OTP will come, one in mobile number and one in email ID. So you need to enter both the OTP. First enter mobile number, then email ID, then verification captcha. Then submit. So registration completed. So you will get a registration number. With that registration number, you can log in again. Registration number with date of birth. So we can log in again with that details. Then we need to enter personal details. In that we need to again select community, that is unreserved as SC, ST, OBC or economically weaker section. For economically weaker section, we need to produce income certificate, then gender, nationality, religion, any disability persons, then ex-servicemen. For age relaxation, that also some points we need to fill. So after filling that one, we need to declare. So after declaring, save. Then payment section. In payment section, there is a online and offline method. Online through bank and offline through post office. So in online method, there is different options: net banking, card payment, and UPI through UPI payment. These three options are there. For online banking, some charges are there. You can see. For debit card payment, there is no charges. So I am selecting SBI. You can pay through any other bank net banking. So that will cost 6 rupees extra. So after paying the amount through net banking, we will get a payment details. These payment details you need to save carefully, because if any problems occur, you need to enter that payment reference number. And after that, you need to select whether you want to refund the money to same account. So select yes. After that, we need to enter our qualification details, academic and qualification details, graduate or diploma qualification details, with university, institute with year of passing. Then select mother tongue and the choice of language. Choice of language during exam. Then declaration. Then again submit. Next procedure is uploading photo and signature. For photo, image should be size of 35 into 45 millimeter, taken on after 1st of January 2019 in JPG format, and file size between 20 KB to 50 KB. Signature image should be size 50 into 20 millimeter JPG format, file size between 10 KB to 40 KB. Certificate, if applicable, image should be in JPG format and file size between 50 to 100 KB. So choose file and upload the photo of candidate. Then again choose file, upload the signature of the candidate. So here I uploaded the images. Then again declaration, you need to check that declaration box. Then application is over. So you can either print your application or you can download the application form. That is enough. RRB application for the post of staff nurse is over. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, The Nurse. Thank you.